napansin ko lang maraming mga small cars ang nare-repossess o nahahatak ng bank. Gaya nitong Mitsubishi Mirage. If I check on the listing, wow, ang dami. Ang daming nahatak na mga Mitsubishi Mirage ranging from 2018 to 2023 year model. So, ito naman halos magkakapareho. Kasi very similar yung mga pricing nila. Merong, on an average, nakikita ko nasa around 400,000 ang price ng Mitsubishi Mirage. Sobrang dami at saka lahat naman sila ay, for me, well-priced at an average 400,000 pesos. So you can just check the listing sa website ng RCBC. Saka yun, kung habol nyo is Mirage, marami pagpipilian ng Mirage sa listing ngayon ng RCBC, which is reasonably priced. Yeah. How about Morris Garages, or popularly known as MG? Ito rin, marami dito mga 2022 year model. I can see here a Morris Garages MG5 automatic gas with plate number HAG1170. The mileage is only 19,000 kilometers. The color is gold. Presyo niya dati is 487,000 pesos, but now the price is 439,000 pesos. And this unit is located at RCBC Las Piñas warehouse. Now, kung ikaw naman nakatira sa Cebu, you can check our Ganduman warehouse for this model 2022 MG5. Okay, automatic gas, plate number is HAC2494. The mileage is 34,000 kilometers. Color is extreme speed red. Presyo niya before is 414,000 pesos, but now the price is 373,000 pesos only. So, bet nyo ba ang Almera, ang Nissan Almera? Kasi kung nagpaplano kayo bumili ng second hand na Nissan Almera, check nyo tong listahan ng RCBC. Kasi ang dami nilang mga Nissan Almera na binibenta ngayon. Ranging from 2017 year model to 2021 year model. Price range, meron dito pa nga, nakikita ko, mga nasa 200,000 lang eh. 200,000 to 300,000 plus. Walang lalampas ng 400,000 pesos. Even yung 2021 year model nila, nasa 368,000 pesos. So talagang dinagyan ng discount ng bangko yung Nissan Almera. Medyo marami sila, saka relatively similar yung mga presyo ng bawat isa. So I suggest punta na lang kayo sa website, saka isa-isahin nyo yung Nissan Almera. Ito naman, good news para sa mga nakatira sa Davao. May nakita ko dito na bagong-bago pa, Suzuki Dzire 2024 year model, automatic gas. Plate number is LAM2152. Mileage is almost 70,000 kilometers. Color is blue. Ang price niya is 489,000 pesos only. Dating 543,000 pesos. Now, 489,000 pesos na lang. And you can check out this car by visiting our warehouse at Catalunan Grande, Davao. And also at Davao Catalunan Grande, you can also check another Suzuki Dzire 2022 year model automatic gas engine with plate number JAG1244 with a mileage of 12,000 kilometers only. The color is red and ang price niya ngayon is 414,000 pesos. So kung napapansin nyo, mga binibigay kong mga sasakyan sa inyo yung mga small cars kasi dito nag-focus yung bank na sa pricing. Talaga binabaan nila lalo yung mga prices ng mga small cars. Gaya nito, Ito, mga nasa 200 to 300,000 pesos na lang. Suzuki Swift 2015 year model, automatic gas. Plate number is ABO7614 with a mileage of 76,000 kilometers. The color is white and it is located at RCBC Las Piñas warehouse. While this one, another Suzuki Swift 2018 year model, manual transmission, gas engine. Plate number is KAB8349. Mileage is 21,000 kilometers. Color is white. The price now is 328,000 pesos only. And this one is located at Opel CDO warehouse. At syempre, matatapos ba ang video na ito without mentioning Toyota Vios? Ang pambansang sedan ng Pilipinas. So I can see here a 2020 Toyota Vios manual transmission gas engine with plate number EAD8939, mileage of 43,000 kilometers. Color is grayish blue mica metallic. The price is 392,000 pesos. Located at RCBC Pinaguhatan Pasig warehouse. Another 2020 year model of Toyota Vios automatic gas engine with plate number CAT2318 and a mileage of 46,000 kilometers. Color is white. Again, you will find this unit at Pinagbuhatan Pasig warehouse. Price niya is 485,000 pesos na lang. And lastly, if bet nyo ang Toyota Wigo, meron ditong 2020 year model na 326,000 na lang ang presyo. Dating 362,000, ngayon 326,000 pesos. It is an automatic gas engine unit with plate number NGG9551 and a mileage of 20,000 kilometers only. Color is red, and you can check out this unit at the RCBC Las Piñas warehouse.
If you want to see the full list of cars for sale, please visit www.rcbc.com/rcbccarsforsale. For the mechanics on how to buy, please go through the steps indicated in the webpage of RCBC Cars for Sale, which nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen. Now, for the directions to the RCBC Auto warehouses, better search them on Waze or Google Maps. Here, check on the screen kung ano dapat ang itatype or isa-search nyo sa Waze or Google Maps. So, I hope nakatulong itong vlog ko sa car search nyo for affordable quality used cars. More cars to be featured in the next episode of Seth Stuff. But then again, you can search on your own by downloading the full list of cars for sale from www.rcbc.com/rcbccarsforsale. If you haven't subscribed yet sa channel ko, please do so.
So if you have questions about these units or any questions in particular, clarification, you can just call these numbers or send them an email address, which is flashed or shown here on screen. Yeah. You may also leave a comment on the comment box section, and I'll try my very best to answer each comment. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Chef Stuff. Sana ulitin natin yung ganito. So, hanggang sa muli. Until then, see you next time. Ciao.